At hinantay namin yung landing bird.
A few moments later.
Ayun na siya oh. Yan na. Tatawid na.
Nauna na palang mga kasama namin dun sa bayan ng Bulinaw. Umatin pa kasi okay na sa alumni namin kaya nauna na sila dun. Dadaan na lang natin sila sa bahay ng Bayoko. Bago kami pupunta sa Patar. At doon na lang kami mag-overnight bago umuwi ng Manila.
Dreams take me higher into the blue unknown. Feel the fire burning, heart made of stone. Ride with the wild wind, chasing the endless light.
Doon ka na, mainit. Pasok ka magsulog. By Santiago Island.
Living without a rhyme.
Sinuduli.
Crossing the mountains high.
Bitin yung bakasyon. Ang init. Baba ka lang, baba ka.
Roads never travel. Mystery in each turn.
Okay, nakarating na kami dito. Nakapila.
Lessons unravel. Feel the burning burn. Eyes on the horizon. Courage in every stride.
Bago pala kami umuwi ng Manila, pupunta muna kami sa Patar. Daanan namin sila para Richard at si Pablo sa bahay ng Bayoko. Nauna na kasi na kanina.
Mountains high. Playing with time. Love's not the harmful, courage in every stride. Fear can't divide us. Come on, let's glide. Passion for adventure.
A few moments later.
Nandito na sila, nadaanan na namin. Diretso na kami sa Patar.
Living without a rhyme. Ooh. Crossing the mountains high. Playing with time.
Parang guys, galing na tayo. Barangay Santa.
Dreams take me higher into the blue unknown. Feel the fire burning, heart made of stone. Ride with the wild wind, chasing the endless light. Stars in the black night fuse to ignite. Passion for adventure, living without a rhyme. Crossing the mountains high, playing with time. Roads never travel, mystery in each turn. Lessons unravel, feel the yearning burn. Eyes on the horizon, courage in every stride. Fear can't divide us, come on, let's glide. Passion for
Nakarating na po kami dito sa pinakadulo ng patar. Alam mo na kami na mapistuan namin.
Not half of courage every stride. Fear can't divide us. Come on, let's glide.
Ano brother, kaya pa? Mukhang solve ka na.
Come on, let's glide. Passion for adventure.
Cottage muna tayo.
Ha?
Cottage na tayo.
Oo.
Crossing the mountains high. Playing with time.
Bawal pala maligo pag gabi doon sa patar, kaya bumalik kami dito sa isang barangay sa Ilog. Dito na kayo mag-overnight, tapos diretso na kami bukas sa Manila.
Andito na yung pandesal
Ni Kuya
with
Junjun.
malunggal ni Kuya Junjun.
Dreams take me higher into the blue unknown. Feel the fire burning, heart made of stone. Ride with the wild wind, chasing the endless light. Stars in the black night, fuse to